Let's be honest for a second. How many of the goals you set at the beginning of this year have you actually achieved so far? Are you truly living up to the promise you made to yourself when the year started? If not, welcome to the Summer Arc, the ultimate self-improvement challenge that's here to push you out of your comfort zone and turn you into a stronger, sharper version of yourself, mentally and physically, over the next 90 days. Because as the summer heat rises, there will be two kinds of people: those who give up, and those like you who decide to rise. So the question is, are you ready to take control of your life and give it a new direction this summer? If yes, then lock in and follow these 5 core protocols, because this time you'll be the one controlling the fire, it won't control you. Now take a screenshot of what's on your screen, because one of our favorite American psychologists, Fitzhugh Dodson, once said, "Without goals and plans to reach them, you are like a ship that has set sail with no destination." Right now, most people are thinking, let me set goals for the next 6 months or 90 days. Then I'll check back in later to see how far I've come. Sounds good in theory, but here's the problem. Your brain doesn't work that way. Neurologically, your brain craves fast results. It doesn't have the patience to wait for slow progress. That's why we want to introduce you to the golden rule of this challenge. You do set 90-day goals. But first, put those aside for now and focus on just the next 15 days. Ask yourself, what can I realistically achieve in the next 15 days? Tell your brain, I only need to stay consistent and disciplined for 15 days. We'll worry about the rest later, and if you stay consistent for those 15 days, your prefrontal cortex, the control center of your brain, starts to build the discipline muscle. This is how you train yourself to win, 15 days at a time. This way, you don't get overwhelmed. You complete your summer arc in powerful 15-day cycles. But here's the mistake most people make. They jump straight into listing huge goals and end up wasting time chasing the wrong ones. So, before you start your summer arc, there's one thing you must do. Draw the wheel of life. It's one of the most effective visual tools to clearly show you which areas of your life need improvement right now. Just draw a big circle. Divide it into 8 equal parts. Each part represents one key aspect of your life, like health studies, career finances, personal growth relationships, physical environment, spiritual growth, fun and recreation. Then rate each area from 1 to 10. That's how you'll know where you need to focus your energy during this summer transformation. Everything else, it's just distraction. So you have to rate yourself. 1 means you need a lot of improvement, and 10 means you are fully satisfied right now. If there's an area that is most important for you and you've given it a low score, that means you need to focus more on that area. You can't waste your focus, time, and energy on everything at once. You just need to focus on 2 to 3 main goals. Put your maximum time and energy on that one most important area which is the most needed in your life right now. Just focus on that. This wheel of life will not only give you clarity, but it will also make you super clear, laser sharp, and extremely productive. Because where others are focusing on too many things, you will be focusing only on what's really important. Even our favorite author, Gary Keller, always says, if you chase 2 rabbits, you will not catch either one. It means if you try to catch 2 rabbits at once, you won't be able to catch even one in the end. During this whole summer fire, Sam Og time, you must keep reminding yourself of your goals every second, even subconsciously. For that, you should set your phone wallpaper with your goals. For example, look, this is our phone wallpaper for the next few months. It may not look very aesthetic or beautiful, but you just need to make a wallpaper with your goals in your own style. We're just showing this as an example, because nowadays we spend most of our time and focus on our phones. Following this method will help you a lot. Just doing this won't be enough. Anyone can do this. Now comes the real effort part. This is where the real hard work of your summer fire starts. Win every day. If you really want to win every day, you have to do the things daily that make your day better and help you grow. So now, whatever things we're about to list, write them down and just start following them. If you do, no one can stop you from winning every single day during this time. Start with 3 non-negotiables. In Summer Fire, you need to set 3 non-negotiables for yourself. It simply means, even if you don't complete your other tasks, these 3 things must be done every single day, no matter what. If you don't complete these 3 things daily, you shouldn't even go to sleep. And if you're not taking steps daily on these 3 non-negotiables, it means you are not on the right path. Non-negotiable means the things you won't compromise on at all. For example, our 3 non-negotiables are waking up early, working, and fitness. Similarly, you must choose your own 3 non-negotiable tasks or habits that you will never sacrifice. Then, rise up and win. Even successful people like Robin Sharma say, if you win your morning, you win the day. That means, if you win your morning, you win your whole day. We've seen this too. Waking up early gives us time for the things we really want to do. So during this summer fire, challenge yourself and make a habit of waking up early. If your routine is different, like you study or work at night, then follow your own schedule. But if you can wake up early, start doing it. Even we used to think we're not morning people, but since we started waking up early and going to the gym, our energy and productivity stay high the whole day. Next, create an inspired morning routine. If you start your day by scrolling your phone, you'll feel uninspired like a loser. If your body feels lazy in the morning, your brain will get the signal to procrastinate. So, in the morning, listen to inspiring affirmations for a few minutes or read something motivational. Do this for the next 15 days and observe how your mood stays much more positive throughout the day. Next is 90 minutes for life purpose. Look, we're not asking you to do something huge. Just try to give 90 minutes daily, morning or any time in the day, only to that one task which helps you move towards your life purpose. It could be your studies, your work, or learning a new skill. If you can give more time, that's great, but at least give 90 minutes to that one thing, and if possible, complete it at the start of the day. Now, if you say that you have a habit of procrastination, then the next rule will help you fix that problem. The 2-minute procrastination rule. This rule was found by productivity consultant David Allen. It simply says, whenever you feel like postponing a task, immediately tell yourself, I'll just do it for 2 minutes. And once you start, you naturally end up finishing the task. Because the real problem for most people is not completing the task, it's starting it. This rule helps you overcome that problem. Work out at least 3 to 4 days a week, because regular workouts improve the oxygen flow to your brain. Also, exercise strengthens your brain's prefrontal cortex and develops discipline. So, workouts don't just make your body strong, they also make your mind resilient and sharp. Now you need to read daily. Just like daily exercise strengthens your body, daily reading makes your brain more creative, focused, and wise. This habit reduces stress and turns you into a visual thinker. So whenever you feel like picking up your phone, pick up a book for just 2 minutes. Start by reading 5 to 10 pages from any self-help book and slowly increase your reading time and pages. Now let's come to the next protocol. Cut out cheap dopamine. You've probably heard the word dopamine many times before, but that doesn't mean we're going to tell you to quit your phone or stop using social media. We only give practical advice. So here's the deal. Once you've finished all your tasks for the day, then you can use your phone and check social media. But don't post or share anything. Just observe. In fact, we suggest using dopamine in your favor. Just stay away from cheap dopamine. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that gives you a reward feeling when you do something good. But when you spend 3 to 4 hours daily on social media, binge watch web series, play video games, eat high-sugar, sodium junk food, or check random notifications, your brain's reward system gets dysregulated. Cheap dopamine gives you short-term pleasure, but blocks your long-term satisfaction and growth. When you constantly chase instant rewards, your brain's expectations get out of control. You experience an artificial high and move away from real, meaningful experiences. That's why it's important to cut off these low-value pleasures from your routine, so you can become more productive, focused, and fulfilled. This is your fire time. Go anonymous. If you truly want to see a big change, you'll need to disappear for a few months. You can observe others, but don't reveal your goals and intentions to everyone. When you treat your life like an open book, people know all about your goals and even unnecessary things. So go silent for a while and let your results speak for you. Without making noise in front of friends, family, or on social media, become your best version. When you reappear after some months, people will be shocked. But until then, don't care about others' opinions. Every time you share your plans, the chances of achieving them drop. That's why, stay mysterious. And now, follow the next and final protocol. Track your progress. Treat each month like a block. At the end of every month, check how much you've achieved and how far you've progressed. As we said earlier, you can also track every 15 days. For tracking, we personally use a physical journal or a free Notion template. You can also use your own journal or notebook. Just try to stay consistent every day. And even if you miss one day, it's okay. But follow this golden rule. Never miss 2 days in a row. Whatever your habit or goal is, don't skip it for 2 consecutive days. Start with a 15-day challenge. Then another 15 days will make it a month. And every month will build your complete summer transformation, your AUG. As management consultant Peter Drucker says, if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. So, as a brother, we sincerely advise you, if you really want to see a big and positive change in your life and become super consistent, disciplined, and a pro-action taker without procrastination. If you truly want to achieve success in your life, then make sure to subscribe and stay connected with us. Your support motivates us to create more valuable content that helps you grow and move forward. Thank you so much for being with us. Your journey matters to us,